Keto Comadres. I got a delivery from Imperfect Foods. I saw some other YouTuber post this kind of video and she put a promo code for $10 off. So I said, hey, let me give it a try. So what Imperfect Foods is, I guess, it's food that doesn't look perfect, but it's lower prices, it's locally grown, it's all local, and you get it delivered directly to your house. Don't mind my dog. All right, so let's see what we got. Ooh, strawberries, mushrooms, and also you actually can pick what you want. You can customize. They automatically just put stuff in your cart, but you have time before they deliver it to see what you want. You can add, you can take away, so it's all up to you. Let's see what else. Ooh, raspberries. And I got some blue cheese. Another zucchini. Cucumber. Another cucumber. Oh, I got 2 raspberries. I don't remember what I got. And these are so little mushrooms. Look at that. That is so awesome. And I got, oh, some fontina cheese. Good for snacking. Some uncured hot dogs. Some Italian sausage. I don't remember buying that. And it comes with a little ice container so that way it won't go bad. So all the stuff that needs to be refrigerated stays cold. Another cucumber. Some creamery. You know I need bifocals. I already know this. Ragged Point Step Ladder Creamery. It's just some kind of cheese. I'm not sure what kind of cheese that is. My lovely, lovely Parmigiana. And then now some veggies. Portobello mushrooms. Fennel. I don't even know how to cook with fennel, but hey, I want to try some recipes. 4 jalapenos. I don't see anything wrong with any of this food. And then I got a head of romaine. Some avocado. They're a little bit imperfect, but hey, they're avocados. They're gonna taste delicious. Some chives. 3 garlics. 4 limes. Oh, make that 4 garlics. Some tomatillos. Make that another avocado, and that's it. But I got all this stuff for 50 bucks. So that's pretty good. I did have a $10 off. I will link below the code that I used. It doesn't help me any, but the YouTube, it doesn't help me, but I'm just sharing the wealth. Alrighty guys, have a good day. Enjoy your keto lifestyle.